Hey guys, so I am going through this week's reading, Object Methods This. So when you do your Control-Shift-I, you can pull up your console and code along with these examples. So with this first example right here, let user equal... Alright, to go to the next line, you're going to want to hit Shift and then Enter. John. Alright, so I entered that. So now if I type in user, right, we can see we have a user right here. Cool. Alright, now we can add a method to our user object by typing user.sayHi equals function low. Alright. So now we have that function dot sayHi. So then if we type user dot sayHi, that executes right here. Okay. All right. Here's just another way we could have gone about it. We could have declared our user, declared our function, and then added the method that way instead of this way. Basically the same thing. And then here we can do the function in this example, they're just declaring the function inside, the method inside the object. And this is just a shorthand way of doing that same thing. So in this one, they're declaring the functions outside of the objects, and then they are then assigning the method to the objects through this dot operator. Okay, so now they show us how to use this. Okay, so in the function, this refers to the current object, okay, and then gets their name property, right? So over here, if I said, let me just copy this, see if I can do that. Boom. Okay, so if we type user, awesome. So if we do user.sayHi now, we get John. Okay, now let's look at this example right here. They used user instead of this, right? We can also see the same thing if we type user.sayHi, we still get John. Okay, so then the question is, okay, why do we use this, right? And then they have this example over here, okay, where they, all right, so they did, I already did this code right here, right? And then they say, okay, let admin equal user, okay, and then set user to null. I'll overwrite what user is. Okay. All right. Now if we say admin.sayHi, right, we get a type error. Okay. All right, so conversely, right, So yeah, conversely, if we had used this is not bound, we wouldn't have gotten that type error. So let's just check it out. So if we take this right here and change it to this.name, okay, and then we say let admin equal user and set user to equal null, okay. If we do admin dot say hi, right, we still get John, right, because admin was set equal to user, right, and even though user changes, right, it doesn't affect what admin is, okay. And that's basically the gist of it. They go and show another example of using this, and they talk about also show an example with the arrow function and have some cool tasks to code up and try out. So thanks for following my video, and I hope this helped you understand this better. Take care.